look at the way you look me in the eyes.
Good morning! So we're preparing now. I'm gonna go downstairs to have breakfast. Oh, very nicely. So, ang aming bed. A little bit fix, no? So, good morning, guys! So, we're preparing now para pumunta sa para sa breakfast. Kasi may including breakfast siya. So, naghihintay ako ngayon kay Frank. Kasi tapos na ako. Nakapagkulot. I kulot my hair. And, yeah. Punta kami sa downstairs para mag-breakfast. I'll see you. Update. Brunch. Yeah, brunch. Outfit check. So, hi guys! So, naka-lipstick na tayo. Pupunta na kami sa labas. Mag-explore. So, I will show you some areas also kung saan kami pupunta. And then, what's the plan again, bae? After dinner?
After dinner we go to HOLLAND Casino, then we go back.
After dinner, we go to Holland Casino. Gambler man si Frank. We gonna win $1 million. And after that, dinner? Ano? Nalipong na ko ba? Ha?
Clubbing?
After dinner, punta kami sa casino. And then, after that, mananalo kami ng $1 million. Pupunta kami sa club. Magka-clubbing kami. Kasi wala pang mga wala. Just enjoying the night. So, that's it. Update later. So, hi guys. We're back now in the room. Pumunta lang kami sa sa store kasi gusto ko mag-change ng outfit. Kasi, I think that I overdressed ba? Para kung pupunta ng party. So, mag-change ako later. Pumunta lang kami sa labas, para magbili ng ng dress. Mag-change outfit ako Then, pupunta kami later para kumain. And then, after that, magka-casino. And then, mag-party. Okay. It's piyaya. It's piyaya. I should be ready. It's a huge one.
Can I?
So guys, nakabalik na kami. Tapos na kami kumain. And it was really nice dinner here in Notre Dame. That was the Vinci restaurant. It's really like our food. It's really delicious foods. And then now we're gonna go to casino. Holland Casino, be?
Filipino Casino.
Casino Philippines. It's Holland Casino. So try namin yung luck namin, guys. Good luck to us. So we are now in, where's this place?
Rotterdam.
It's still Rotterdam. We're going to Casino Filipino. Casino Holland. Ita-try namin yung luck namin. Di ba, be? Pabebe? Pabebe. Okay. Holland Casino. Nandito na kami sa Holland Casino. Here. Nice, no? Nice, ang yeah. Huh? It's like Ayala, no? Hey, Scott. Red carpet for the winner. Frank Dasugarol.
On a roll.
Frank Dasugarol, oh. Oh.
No.
Babe,
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna go out millionaire tonight.
Yeah, I made a mistake. Press the button, everything is gone.
Ay, naku. Cheers.
Zeker, als je dan zeker dat je wint.
Frank Dasugarol.
Ook om de 7, om de 6.
So guys, we're back here. And we won a
Zero.
million
Negative coins.
disappointment. But we call it a day. It was fun.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
good. Good experience. Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. Maing alaw kaniyon tanan. It's our last day here in Rotterdam. And I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna drive home. It's 2 hours drive going
Yeah.
home. And
I think that's now. Maybe that's busy.
maybe it's less now because it's not busy. So after that, we do groceries first and then we pick up Joey and that's it. That ends our anniversary. Anniversary vlog, not our anniversary. Okay, see ya. Guys, may bibigay ako ni Frank. It's a surprise gift. Charot. But you close your eyes.
No gift.
No gift.
No
Nice.
No gift. Oi. Let me get you back. That's good.
I have a gift to Frank, guys. Okay. Babe,
Yeah.
that's my gift to you.
Can I open?
You open it.
Oh, Lotto. What's this? What's this?
That's my gift to you.
What's in this one? No.
I know. This one is not. This one is not.
Earrings, no?
My earrings.
Lotto. I can do this one. I'll dedicate this one to Jaja because she's the one who taught me.
That's my gift to
He taught me on
gift to it.
he taught me on the messenger in the group message. You need to hold like this. And
Yeah.
then you go like.
I wanna hold you.
Something like that. Okay, wait, I practice not too much.
You concentrate, babe.
Huh?
You can do it like maybe 1 or 2.
Okay. It's pretty hard one. That's it.
Babe, it's against the light. Just stand there, babe.
Oh, that's why. That's why it's not working because I'm against the light.
Yeah. Lato-lato in the house. Frank, the lato-lato guy. Paano talaga ang mukha, oh? How about me?
Maybe I try one more time.
One
I
more
will
time.
try something else. It's the cutscene. It feels.
Cutscene. Okay. You will try one more time though. Never give up. That's your imagine that's your you do like that to you.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay, it's my turn.
It's wobbly.
Yeah, it's wobbly. 1, 2.
can see it's a Filipino thing. Just, she can do it better.
One more time.
Also do the jump again, huh? It's cute.
Almost. Last one. It's failed. Oy, Jaja is really the master ba? Okay, that's all for today. Lato. Are you happy with your gift?
Oh yeah, thank you, babe. It's the best gift ever.
What?
The best gift ever.
Okay,
So say goodbye to your viewers and
that's all.
yeah.
That's it for today, and then we're gonna go home na. Go back and do groceries first, right?
Yeah.
And then after that, we pick up Joey and go home and relax, because tomorrow is another day.
Okay, I stopped too soon.
Two weeks later.
Guys, today may iwan itong bordagoy sa bahay kasi pupunta ako ngayon sa city. May i-meet up ako na friend. Tsaka, yeah, itong si Joey ay pinaano ko na ito, nag-walking na kami, and then pinakain ko na rin. And then this is his routine also, guys, in the morning. He's always sleeping, so yeah. At least he's settled before I go.
Hi guys! Good morning! Today, it's my first time to go on the train solo without Frank, because I'm gonna meet a friend in Eindhoven city. So, I need to drive myself, and then I need to go there alone. So, wish me luck! Okay, I'll show you also there. Okay. Guys, update. Maano ng train. Nabiyaan sa train. So, maghihintay ako ng next train. Ay nako. Nagmamadali pa lang sana ako. Okay, waiting. So guys, ito yung nabiyaan sa train. Naong sa nabiyaan sa train. Ay, mo na siya. Train na mo. Ay.
Ginoo ko.
Ginoo ko, kapaspas ato. Uy, grabe. Wala magkanang kuan ba? Paano sa gira ba? Bala ko train na nakin yun. Pero hindi pa pala. So, waiting pa rin.
So guys, nasa loob na tayo ng train. So ito yung loob ng train dito, guys. And then makikita mo kung saan ka magsa-stop dyan. Ang monitor mo. At ito na nga, paandar na yung train. And then showing you also the outside view after train. So ito yung train station nila, train station dito sa Netherlands. So yeah, I haven't experienced this one before sa Philippines. Dito lang talaga, no? Kasi wala naman kaming train sa Cebu. Sa Manila meron, 'di ba? Sa sa MRT day. Oo, nakapag-try na din ako doon sa Pinas, guys. Sa Manila. Okay. Nalungkot ako bigla ba kasi ako lang mag-isa dito. I'm used to with Frank talaga,
So, nandito na tayo. Nakalabas na tayo sa train. Ito na. Punta na tayo mag-check out. Muna siya, guys. Eindhoven. Ayan siya. So, guys, we're walking now. Going to the location that we are gonna meet. To the mogi tree. Mogi tree there. Because I want to drink bubble tea, but I'm still full. I don't know if I will get some, but yeah, that will be the location that we're gonna meet. So I'm walking right there. So this is Eindhoven City, guys. Here. Yeah, ito yung mga shopping area nila dito. May pa-carousel sila doon. Oh, nakikita ako. Lapitan natin. So, ito na. Malapitan na natin ang so, may carousel. Oh. Kapag may anak ni Loui, soon, no? Hindi lang tayo mag-chika about it. Carousel. Pero doon ang ating location. Doon ang location natin sa straight. Okay. Guys, nakikita ko na yung ano ko, ka-meet up ko. Yan na siya. Ang Miss Pakngaan.
So, ito na nga guys, no? I'm waiting for the next train. Kasi yun yung train na papunta sa bahay. Hindi talaga sa bahay, no? Ganun. Directly. Sa train station malapit sa amin. So, yes, going home. So, yes, update guys. Nasa loob na ako ng train. Ito yung outside view. Hindi talaga masyado makita kasi parang milk glass na ba yung glass sa train sa Makati. So, ito. Alone.
Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa train. And then, papunta na ako sa bahay. So, nag-request si Frank na train. So, I will also pass by the supermarket. So, guys, punta na tayo, no, sa car. Kasi papauwi na tayo. And then, punta ako saglit sa supermarket kasi may visitor kasi tomorrow. And then after that, going home. So it was really a nice meet up. So yeah, and Eindhoven City is also nice. So yeah, that's it. So I'm in the car now. Update you guys. Bye. So guys, it was actually my first time but to travel alone. I mean, not alone, like on the train alone without Frank. So it was also challenging. And it's like going to the airport for the first time. So yeah, luckily I found my way. And then it's an experience. I like it. So I can be a little bit independent, no? Na kasi busy din si Frank, my work, and then kasi Friday ngayon, and then day off ko. So may time talaga ako na mag-meet up with friends, at least like chilling or like kasi kailangan din natin yan, no? Sa kanyang mga events din para pampatanggal lang din ng and then at the same time making friends. So it was really nice experience. And now I'm going back home, but before that I told you already, no, balik-balik palit-ulit na tayo ba na I will go first to the supermarket to get some drinks and some foods, and then after that uuwi na ako at babalik sa family. Okay, update guys, bye bye. So I'm home guys, my baby
Where were you whole day?
And also my baby, now you're so blind. Super excited. They miss me more. Boy. Joey? Joey Longging?
Miss Mama.
You miss me? Asus! And ito na yung napamili ko na groceries for tomorrow. Okay, pupunta yung ano niya. May bisita kami. So, yan. And I'm home. So, that's all for today, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.